Question 71. What role does collaboration play in your work as an academic production analyst, and how do you foster teamwork? Collaboration is vital in my role as an academic production analyst, as it ensures that diverse perspectives inform our projects. I foster teamwork by creating an inclusive environment where all ideas are welcomed. Regular meetings help align team goals and encourage open communication. I also utilize collaborative tools like Slack and Google Workspace to facilitate real-time discussions and document sharing. In my previous position, I initiated cross-departmental workshops, which allowed teams to share insights and learn from each other's experiences. By recognizing individual contributions and celebrating team achievements, I strengthen our collective commitment to academic excellence. Question 72. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in academic production analytics? Staying updated in the rapidly evolving field of academic production analytics requires a proactive approach. I subscribe to industry-related journals and newsletters, such as the Journal of Educational Data Mining, to keep abreast of new research and methodologies. Attending conferences and webinars allows me to network with peers and learn about emerging tools and technologies. Online platforms like Coursera and edX offer courses that help me refine my skills in specific areas, such as machine learning and cloud computing. Additionally, I participate in relevant forums and community discussions to share knowledge and gain insights from different perspectives. Question 73. Can you describe your experience with version control systems and their importance in academic production environments? Version control systems, particularly Git, are crucial for managing code and documentation in academic production environments. My experience includes using Git for collaborative projects, allowing multiple team members to work on scripts simultaneously without overriding each other's contributions. This system tracks changes, enabling easy rollbacks to previous versions, which is invaluable for troubleshooting. In one project, I implemented branching strategies to develop new features while maintaining a stable main branch for production. This approach minimized disruptions during critical phases of research. Moreover, version control promotes transparency and accountability, as each change is documented with a corresponding author, enhancing collaboration among researchers. Question 74. Describe a challenging analytical problem you faced in an academic setting, and how you approach solving it. One challenging analytical problem I encountered involved reconciling conflicting data from multiple sources for a longitudinal study. The datasets contained discrepancies due to differing collection methods and timeframes. To address this, I first conducted a thorough assessment of each dataset's structure and quality. I then collaborated with data owners to clarify definitions and collection procedures. Using Python, I developed a script to standardize formats and identify outliers. After cleaning the data, I performed exploratory analysis to understand trends and variances. Through iterative discussions with stakeholders, we reached a consensus on the reconciled dataset, which ultimately strengthened the study's conclusions. Question 75. What methodologies do you use for evaluating the effectiveness of academic programs through data analysis? Evaluating academic program effectiveness requires a mixed methods approach. I start with quantitative analysis, utilizing metrics such as enrollment figures, graduation rates, and course completion statistics. Statistical methods, including regression analysis, help identify correlations between program features and student outcomes. Additionally, I conduct qualitative assessments through surveys and focus groups to gather student and faculty feedback about the programs. I integrate these findings into a comprehensive report, highlighting successes and areas for improvement. Regular evaluations and adjustments based on data insights ensure that academic programs continuously align with institutional goals and student needs. Question 76. How do you handle the ethical implications of using data in academic research? Handling ethical implications in academic research requires a strong commitment to integrity and transparency. I ensure that all data collection processes adhere to ethical guidelines, such as obtaining informed consent from participants. I prioritize data privacy by anonymizing sensitive information and implementing robust security measures. Additionally, I engage in discussions with stakeholders about the ethical use of data, fostering a culture of accountability. Regular training on ethical standards for research and data handling further enhances awareness among team members. By documenting all procedures and decisions, I ensure that our research practices are transparent and can withstand ethical scrutiny. Question 77. Explain how you would optimize an existing data workflow in an academic institution. Optimizing an existing data workflow begins with a thorough analysis of the current processes to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. I would gather input from team members to understand pain points and areas for improvement. Data profiling helps assess the quality and relevance of current datasets. Based on this analysis, I would implement automation using tools like Apache NiFi or Alteryx to streamline data ingestion and transformation steps, reducing manual effort. Additionally, I would establish clear documentation and standardized procedures to enhance consistency. Finally, I'd set up performance metrics to monitor improvements over time, ensuring that the workflow remains effective and adaptable. Question 78. What is your approach to integrating feedback from academic faculty into data analysis projects? Integrating feedback from academic faculty into data analysis projects is essential for ensuring relevance and applicability. I adopt a collaborative approach by involving faculty early in the project lifecycle. Initial meetings focus on understanding their needs and expectations, allowing us to co-create project objectives. Throughout the analysis, I schedule regular check-ins to present preliminary findings, encouraging faculty to share their insights or concerns. Using collaborative tools like Google Docs facilitates real-time feedback and document sharing. After project completion, I conduct post-project reviews with faculty to gather feedback on the analysis and its impact, which informs future projects and strengthens partnerships. Question 79. Describe a time when you had to adapt to a significant change in project scope. How did you manage it? In one project, the scope changed drastically when a key funding source shifted priorities, requiring us to pivot our analysis focus. I managed this change by first holding a team meeting to assess the new requirements and redistribute tasks based on team strengths. I then communicated transparently with stakeholders, outlining the implications of the scope change and adjusting timelines accordingly. Utilizing agile methodologies, we implemented iterative sprints to adapt our analysis while keeping stakeholders updated. This adaptability allowed us to meet the new expectations successfully, and the project ultimately provided valuable insights for the revised academic focus. Question 80. How do you envision the role of an academic production analyst evolving with emerging technologies in the next few years? The role of an academic production analyst is likely to evolve significantly with advancements in technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. These tools will enable more sophisticated data analyses, allowing for predictive modeling and deeper insights into student performance and program effectiveness. Automation of routine tasks will free analysts to focus on strategic initiatives and innovation in data-driven decision-making. Additionally, the increasing emphasis on data literacy will require analysts to act as liaisons, translating complex data insights into actionable strategies for academic stakeholders. Ultimately, the integration of these technologies will enhance the ability to support educational outcomes and institutional goals effectively. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.